Hello everyone and welcome to DriveSpark. Today we are here in Delhi for the unveiled global premiere of the Kia Seltos. So let's have a quick first look of the all new Seltos. The Kia Seltos will be positioned in the mid SUV segment in the Indian market. It will be competing against the likes of the Jeep Compass, the new MG Hector, the Tata Harrier. Kia has also offered the Seltos with a host of features and equipment. Many of them are class leading and first in segment as well. So as it rotates, let's start off from here. You can see the LED tail lamps, quite unique lookingly designed. Then you have your 17-inch alloy wheels, and coming to the front you have this unique long LED DRL with the Kia signature chrome grille in the front. Again, the roof line with the little bit of chrome and the C-pillar and the blacked out spoiler at the rear. Quick look, this is how it looks from the back. Apparently Kia is showcasing only the exteriors, while the interiors are not allowed inside the car to show you the exact interiors. So the Seltos will be powered by a 1.4 liter engine. It will be available in both petrol and diesel, both of which will be BS6 compliant. See the stylishly designed alloy wheels with the Kia badging, the fog lamps as the car comes around, this air intake with the silver lining, flared wheel arches with the black cladding make it looks good. And one interesting thing to note is that this is the GT line, the sporty version of the Seltos, which will be available. So yeah, let's.
Of course, this is only an unveiled, so there are no prices at this time. This is just the global debut, so we get to see.
So yeah, this is just the global debut, so we just see the exteriors. The interiors, according to Kia, will be unveiled at a later stage, probably during the media drives, not before that. If you come down here, exterior, you can see the scuff plates, black cladding all around. Look really good. These are the LED indicators with the very stylish LED headlamps. So yeah, that was that was it. That was the global premiere. You can see the TGDI badging, the variant badging, and the chrome strip which runs at the back. On top you can see the sunroof and the shark fin antenna. Coming here, the turn indicators on the ORVMs. Also gets the chrome handlebars, adds a more premium appeal. So yeah, there you have it. That was the all new Kia Seltos. The launch of the car is expected sometime in late August or early September. During that time, it will be priced similar to its rivals, the Creta, the Compass, the Harrier, in the 16 lakh range ex-showroom. So there you have it. That was the Kia Seltos. Thank you for watching. And do stay tuned to all our social media handles for more.